Hello everyone, this is Mr. Garcia and welcome to another lesson. And in this lesson you will learn solving linear systems using substitution. So the substitution method works in the following way. So the steps we take to solve a system using substitution is, first step is you isolate a variable in one of the two equations, meaning you get the variable by itself. Step 2, take the expression that is equal to the solved variable and substitute it into the other equation. When you complete this step, you should only have one variable. Now it can repeat, but should be the same variable or letter throughout the equation. Then step 3 is you solve for the variable, and 4, once you have found a solution for one variable, substitute that value back into one of the original equations and solve for the other variable. So if you look at this example here, okay, in this example I see that this y has a 2 with it. Okay, so this is not just one variable, but the second one, see this one here, you have x by itself, and this is saying that x is equal to y minus 4. So this one is basically done for us. So let's see how this works. So I'm going to use this, okay, this one, and whatever I see a y on the other equation, I'm going to replace that y with y minus 2. So then this is going to be written in the following form. So this is going to be 2y equals, and instead of x, it's going to be y minus 4. Okay, and then I'm going to subtract, and then I'm going to add 7. So that 7 is coming from here. So this is why it's called substitution. We're substituting for y here. Okay, I'm sorry, for x here, because x is equal to this. And then I'm going to just remove the parentheses. So this is equal to y minus 4 plus 7. And then, so this will be 2y equals negative 4 plus 7 is going to be positive 3. So y plus 3. Since I'm solving for y, I'm going to subtract this y from this side and also from this side. So then 2 minus 1y is going to be just y by itself. So we find that y equals 3. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is, since I know the value of y, I'm going to find the value of x, and I'm just going to use the second equation because this is the easiest one to use in my opinion. Okay, so I'm going to say x equals, I know what y is equal to. Y is equal to 3, right? So I'm gonna replace that y with the 3 and then subtract this 4. So 3 minus 4 is equal to negative 1. So then my solution to this system of equations by using substitution is x is negative 1 and y is positive 3. And that's the answer to this problem. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing on this one here. But notice that in this case, we don't have any variable isolated on either one of them. And always try to choose the easiest one to work with. So this only has y, so I'm going to subtract this 5 from this side. Okay, so I'm going to work with this one. So then y equals 2x minus 5. So now wherever I see a y on the first equation, I'm going to replace that y with 2x minus 5. Okay, so then this is negative 3x minus, and then I have a parentheses, okay, and then there's a 4, which I should have included here. So there's a 4, and then instead of y, 2x minus 5 equals negative 2. Okay, and next I'm going to distribute. Okay, I'm going to follow the order of operations. So I'm going to distribute this negative 4. So negative 4 times 2x is going to be negative 8x. And then negative 4 times negative 5, that's positive 20. And that is equal to negative 2. I'm going to combine like terms. So then negative 3x and negative 3x and negative 8x is negative 11x. And then I have plus 20, and that equals negative 2. Next, I'm going to subtract this 20 from both sides of the equation. Okay, so then we have that negative 11x equals negative 22. Last step is I'm going to divide by negative 11 on both sides of the equation, and then we find that x equals 2. So there is the value of x. Now, now that I know the value of x, I can go back to either one of these two equations, substitute for x, and then find the value of y. So I'm going to use this one here, okay, because this one is the easiest one to do again. So this is going to be y plus 5, okay, so that's this one here, equals 2 times, but we know x is 2, so this is going to be 2 times 2. So then y plus 5 equals 2 times 2 is 4. And then I'm going to subtract 5. So then we find that y is equal to -1. So the solution to this system of equations is x is 2 and y is -1. And that concludes this lesson. See you soon. Bye-bye.